Hi guys, I am MD Harun Al Rashid and it's my YouTube channel Harun Biozone. Today in this video I will discuss about the economic importance of algae in details for various competitive exams based on biology. So don't be late, let's start. Algae. Economic importance of algae. Algae as a human food. First point is algae as a human food. Algae are the healthy source of fats, proteins, and vitamin A, B, and C, and E, as well as different minerals like iron, potassium, magnesium, calcium, manganese, zinc are found in algae in huge amount, and other metals like iodine also found from algae. First, chlorella. Chlorella is a green algae that possesses high quality of food value. Chlorella containing chlorelline antibiotic. Porphyra tinera, a red alga known as amanori in Japan. It is one type of food. Preparation and the preparation is known as asakusa nori. Porphyra tinera is known as amanori and the food produced from Porphyra tinera is called asakusa nori. Laminaria, a brown algae, is a food produced from laminaria is kombu or konbu. Young types of laminaria are eaten directly in certain parts of Europe and America. Nostoc, that is blue-green algae, collected, boiled, and consumed as food by the Chinese. Alaria, a brown algae, produces cerumen in Japan. Monstroma, a green algae, yields food product onori in Japan. Ulva lactuca, a green algae used as salad and soups. Rhodymenia palmata, a red algae used as food, also a confectionery named dulse. In Japan, about 20 different kinds of algae are being harvested and eaten. Aonori is a preparation of Monostroma, kombu, laminaria, and Asakusa Porphyra tinera. This is some algae that produce as human food. Fodder. Fodders mean cattle food. The seaweeds as fodder have been widely used in Norway, Sweden, Denmark, Scotland, America, China, and New Zealand. In Norway, Rhodymenia palmata has come to know as sheep's weight, food of sheep. Since sheep are very found in this particular alga, Laminaria saccharin, Ascophyllum, Sargassum, Fucus are equally liked by the catfish. In many countries, factories have been established to process the seaweeds into suitable cattle food. Eggs from the hens feed on seaweeds meal have an increased iodine content. The hen, that sheep that taken food as algae, their eggs contain high content of iodine. Butter fat content in milk and reported on cattle whose diet the hen that taken seaweed as a food, their egg rich in iodine. The cattle that taken the seaweeds as a food, their milk is rich amount of butter fat. Iodine obtained from Laminaria, Fucus, and Macrocystis, that is giant kelp. Okay, this is giant kelp that is 100-meter long. Fertilizer. The algae used as fertilizer. The large brown and red algae used as organic fertilizer, especially in land close to the sea. The weeds is used either directly or seaweeds meal. A concentrated extract of seaweeds is also as a liquid fertilizer. Okay, algae used as liquid fertilizer. Caroline algae, Lithomnion, calcareum, and Lithophyllum species are used for liming the soil because due to use of different inorganic fertilizer, the soil become acidic. But this type of Lithomnium and Lithophyllum algae used as liming agent for soil. Similarly, in the use of Kara, which become encrusted with calcium carbonate, that is also liming the soil. However, the greatest utility of the algae as a friend to the farmer is in some common forms belonging to cyanophyceae for their capacity of atmospheric nitrogen fixation. They fix about 30 kg per acre, 30 kg per hectare per year. 30 kg per hectare per year nitrogen accumulate in the soil or in the paddy field, Anabina, nostoc, oscillator, etc. Olocera fertilissima, the common blue-green algae of Indian rice field, is found 47.6 pound of nitrogen fixed per acre per crop. In India, the nitrogen fixing blue-green algae play a part of tremendous importance in maintaining the fertility. The different type of blue-green algae, Anabina, nostoc, oscillatoria, they fix atmospheric nitrogen into the soil. So organic concentration of nutrient concentration increase in the cultivated land. Algae are rich in essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, as well as micronutrients like iron and zinc. Okay, and this is the essential nutrient for soil enrichment. They can also excrete growth promoting substances like auxin, gibberellin, vitamins, and amino acids. Not only minerals, they also produce growth promoting complex like auxin, gibberellin, vitamin, and different type of amino acid that enrich the soil quality. Phosphorus solubilization. Some algae solubilize insoluble forms of phosphorus, making more acceptable to plants. Not all phosphorus are available for plants. Some phosphorus are unavailable for present in soil but unavailable for plants. These algae solubilize this phosphorus and make them accessible to plants. Eukaryotic green algae and prokaryotic cyanobacteria, example of photosynthetic organism known as microalgae. Algae are responsible for half of the photosynthesis in the whole world. Half of the photosynthesis, near about 80% photosynthesis is done by algae. Because of the direct involvement in the assimilation of atmospheric carbon dioxide into organic algal bloom biomass through photosynthesis, cyanobacteria and green microalgae major source of organic matter in agroecosystem. Other nutrients from algae. In addition to improving the soil fertility and quality, microalgae means cyanobacteria and eukaryotic blue-green algae is called microalgae. Produce plant growth hormone, regulator auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, different type of polysaccharides, antimicrobial chemicals, and other metabolites. Phenolic compounds. What is phenolic compound? Phenolic compound increase the disease resistance of plants. Okay. Different phenolic compounds are produced by algae. Terpenoid. Protection crop against bacteria, insects, and other organisms also found from the algae. Free fatty acid. Protection crop against pathogens and other biotic and abiotic stress conditions also produced from algae. Different polysaccharide. Polysaccharide increase the plant growth and protecting crop against biotic and abiotic stress. Carotenoid, soil bioremediation and fertilization and protecting crops against bacteria, insects, and other biotic and abiotic threats also produced from algae. Agar-agar. Agar-agar used in laboratory as a gelling agent or culture medium agent. It is extracted from the Rhodophyceae, Gelidium, Gracilaria, Zygartium, Petrocladia, Chondrus crispus, and Ceramium. Alginate obtained from Macrocystis, Ascophyllum, Laminaria fucus. In India, it is obtained from Sargassum, used in the preparation of cream, jelly, soups, sauces, and ice creams because of its non-toxic nature. Iodine from Laminaria fucus and Macrocystis, okay, that help in our goiter disease. Bromine obtained from Rhodomela and Polysiphonia. Carrageenan is the cell wall red algae. It is mainly obtained from Chondrus crispus, that is called iris moss. Iris moss. Diatomite or diatomite Kisselgur or Fuller's soil. Big deposit of fossilized diatoms in the sedimentary rock make diatomaceous earthen diatoms. The deposits are mined as diatomaceous earth, used in the industrial filtration, preparation of high temperature furnaces, insulator, in refrigerator, polishes of metals, etc. When the diatom is dyed, they deposit in the ocean bed. Bed. And the cell wall of diatom contain calcium silicate, calcium carbonate. Okay, this calcium is deposited and produced diatomaceous earth. Roles of algae in medicine, like antibiotic chlorelin obtained from chlorella. This is used against gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria, especially E. coli, Shigella dysentery. Phylocolloids. A polysaccharide found in the cell wall of certain algae, primarily red and brown algae, they play a crucial role in protecting these algae from harsh environmental conditions like drying and freezing. Food industry. Phylocolloids are used as natural additives in various food products like desserts, jellies, baked goods, etc. Biotechnology. Agar, a phylocolloid, is used biotechnology for creating culture media material for macromolecular separation. Other application, they have application in cosmetic, pharmaceutical, and other industries. Laminaria. Laminarin is found from the Phyophyceae laminarin. It is storage polysaccharide. This is the chemical structure of laminarin. This is by beta 1,3 linkage and side branch by beta 1,6 linkage. This is the alternative source of starch. Alternative source of carbohydrate like starch. This is used as antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and potential anti-tumor properties, making it subject to research and biomedical application. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.